Why are you wearing those weird glasses?
Oh, these? Oh, it's so that the sun doesn't hurt my eyes. You know, it's gonna explode in 30 days. That's why it's extra bright. You should savor your last moments on Earth.
That's not true.
It is. In fact, you can donate to help the prevention of overexplosive precious suns.
The acronym for that is POOPS.
What? Seriously, if you want to donate, my mom works there. She said you can just give the money to me.
Really? Here.
Thank you.
Wait, you actually believe her?
Kind of. But do you want to be able to live your life? Or do you want all your goals and dreams to be crushed?
Guys, this is a scam. Don't give her money. Let's just play it safe and give her the money. Come on.
Sure, might as well. I mean,
Life is pointless. We're all gonna die eventually.
thank you for your donations. Oh, time for science.
I have Spanish.
Oh, bye guys. Just gonna go donate your donations.
I still don't know if we can trust her.
Yeah.
Let's follow her. I want to see what this money goes to.
I'll come with you.
Let's go.
Miss Berkeley, Sadie stole our money.
What? How?
Well, she said to give her her money or else the sun will explode.
And you believed her?
Long story.
Well, that's terrible. I'll talk to her. That is awful. I will definitely. I'll fix this.
I